Today I'm going to show you how to remove Mastercard from Shopify. Now it's a very simple solution. So what you have to do is just simply click on settings at the bottom left corner. Then after that just simply go to billing. Click on billing now over here. It will be shown the payment method that is currently active in your store. Then you have to do is simply click on the three dots over here. Then click on it and hit replace. Then replace it with the payment method that you want. So if you want to remove the payment method entirely from your store, so just simply go to plans. The payment method entirely from your store, so just simply go to plans. Now make sure before deactivating the plan that you currently are running remove and close all the subscriptions that you currently have active on your store, so make sure to remove them first before deactivating the plan. After you remove the extension and all the application that you are paying have a subscription, the Mastercard will be automatically gone.